from client side, I think, getting more work obviously is always, I think once you've found, and it sounds like you've identified a niche, not being afraid to double down on that and actually learning from your client, like learning what they like, what they don't like, learning the extra stuff that they need, and, building your business around those learnings, taking those into account. Because once you've got a solid platform and you've identified where your focus lies, then you can really, replicate that same quality of service to those particular clients across the country. And that's going to be a process. No, that's not going to take 2 or 3 months. It's going to be a process of learning over maybe 12 to 18 months. And that requires, constant communication with them, feedback, update, when things go wrong, why did they go wrong? How can we change this, going forward? There's general stuff, economic circumstances. There might be a tightening of belt because, the country's going into a recession, cost of goods going up, which impact prices. I don't know whether that has been factored into the margins that you've calculated for the business as well and going forward. So yeah, there's a few considerations